For everyone trying to lose weight, this is the treadmill routine that got me from this to this. 50 pound down and no running required. We all know that cardio can be boring, but unless you want to be a fatso for life, get yourself on that motherfucking treadmill. Instead of having 12 meals a day, we're going to set that incline to 12 instead. Fuck off the drive-throughs. We're going to set that speed to 4.5, my dude. Listen. This helped me a lot through my weight loss journey, but high protein and being in a calorie deficit are just as important.
Run no trip, open his mouth, I hop back in the whip. It's a me down if he switch, Glock with a switch on the back of the blick. Trees tryna send me the spits, she started turning when she took a sip.
Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive.
Here's a leg day for a non-leg dayer. Y'all been asking for the leg day. I'm telling you, IG shit only hit legs probably once a month, but here y'all go. So the first thing we start off with is squats. Them shits hurt my knees. I only do around 3 sets of 8 to 10. I don't go too heavy, but I try to do stuff that doesn't bother my knees. Right after that, we go to leg extensions for 3 sets of 12 to 15. My 4th set will be till failure. Then I'm gonna move on to my hamstrings. Gotta show my hamstrings a lot of love because they shit's ass. So it's 3 sets of 12 to 15 as well. But that is not the last time my hammies will see me isolating them. Then I'm gonna move on to leg presses for 3 sets to 8 to 10. They don't bother me that much. I go a little heavy on these because they don't hurt my knees. Right after that, I'm gonna show my hammies love again. I'm gonna do leg curls for 3 sets of 12 to 15. Just showing love to my hamstrings since they are a little bit behind.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry.
Your chest won't grow because you're doing too much. When I first started working out, chest was my worst body part. I would spend hours in the gym doing 5 to 8 exercises for chest, pushing to failure on everything. Once I switched to focusing on quality over quantity, my chest grew significantly. Instead of 5 exercises, pick 1 to 2 heavy compound lifts and choose a weight where you fail between 5 to 8 reps. Pair this with an isolation movement like chest flies, focusing on slow and controlled contractions. Apply the same structure to your triceps, and then go bra shopping.